Hi everyone, this is Ann Dobson. I am an employer liaison with the Needs Center Employment Program. Today I am just showing a little video on how to install Google Chrome on your computer. The reason that the Needs Center would like people to use Google is because we are going to start sharing content and we're going to be using Google Classroom. We could also use Google Drive, and you must have a Gmail account in order to access some of these, some of this program content. So some people already have Google Chrome on their computer. I already have it. So you can see I have an icon up here, and I also have it pinned to my taskbar down here at the bottom. But if you don't have it, I'm going to show you how you can get it onto your computer. So most people on their computers, if they have Wi-Fi, they will have an internet browser. So I also have Internet Explorer down here, which I'm going to click on. Some people have Firefox, some people have Navigo. So lots of people have different browsers on their computers. So once you've clicked on your browser, it'll show you a home page. Usually it has lots of news on it, or it'll have like a search bar on it. But what you want to do is go up to the navigation bar or the address bar and just search for Chrome. Once you've searched for Chrome, the web page usually comes up right away, www.google.com Chrome, and this is what that web page will look like. Sometimes you might have to select it from a list of search finds or search results. So once you get the Chrome web page up, there's a button right here that says Download Chrome. Once you press that button, it's going to start downloading it to your computer. So you're going to get a little box like this, and these are the terms and conditions of using Chrome. It's a good idea to read these terms and conditions. They're pretty standard, and most people accept and install when they're finished. So we press the accept and install button, and from there we will get a page that looks like this. It says, "Thanks for downloading Chrome." I had to press the run button. It automatically came up on my computer. So it says, "Do you want to run or save Chrome setup?" And I press run. And then the next thing you will see is a little box will pop up and it'll say installing or downloading. So the blue bar will move back and forth until it has finished downloading and installing. So this is what the downloading looks like. And it's usually pretty quick depending on your Wi-Fi access. So you shouldn't have to wait too long in order to have it download and install onto your computer. So once it has installed on your computer, your desktop will look like this if you close the browsers and everything, and you will notice that you will have an icon that looks like the Chrome wheel on your desktop. So all you have to do to access Chrome and its different apps is open up that browser, and there we go. So usually the home page for Google Chrome is Google, and you can click in here and search different things. And it'll list different things here on the side here. So this is Google. Another reason we want a lot of our clients to access Google and Google Chrome is because there's lots of apps that we want to start using. So applications, and over here on the side, it looks like a little calculator kind of, but it's the apps button. And there's lots of different apps that you can use. So in videos coming up, we're going to show you how to open a Gmail account, which is really important, and also maybe use your Google Drive. A Google Drive is somewhere where you can save things like your resumes, cover letters, even your schoolwork if you want to. And then that way you can share those documents easily with managers, and you can share your resume easily with managers. And it's all in one place, so you can access it from any computer where you can access your Google account. So we look forward to you accessing these little demo videos. And if you have any questions or if you want to comment, we would love to learn more about these different skills and different tools. So if other people use them in different ways, we would love to know. Please leave a comment with your first and last name so we know that you have accessed our videos. And we hope to see you really soon, because even though everyone is working from home and people are working from home with school, or if you are home from work during this time where we are paying attention to COVID-19, it's still really important that we are connecting with you and that we are developing our skills. So this is a great opportunity to develop our online and technical skills. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.